mga kasilip! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I will show you how to use geolocation to move the platted lot in the exact location or position. Alright, let's do this. First, open your AutoCAD application. First, check the type point of your lot. If the given type point coordinate is latitude and longitude, you must first convert it to grid coordinates. Note, if you are going to overlay your drawing, always use grid coordinates, not the plane coordinates. Then, if you have the grid coordinates, first thing is to plot it to put your drawing in its correct location or position. In plotting the grid coordinates, just type circle, then input the eastings first, comma, then northings. Connect your platted lot using the tie line to the first corner of the lot. Then, if the platted lot is already tied up from the tie point, then you can now generate a KML or KMZ file by using Civil3D application. Open your drawing in AutoCAD with Civil3D, wherein we can use the geolocation to move the platted lot in the actual location or position. You can check my uploaded video on how to overlay AutoCAD drawings to Google Earth. Please check the link below. Before you export the drawing into Google Earth, use the geolocation to move the drawing in the correct position or location. Using geolocation, you can check if the overlaid drawing was in the actual position or location on the ground. Overlaying CAD drawings doesn't give you the accurate or exact position of the lot in the ground. There is always a discrepancy. Using geolocation, you can move the drawing to its actual position. Alright. Now, we know that the subject lot is a rice land with portion of upland. You can now export the drawing to view it in the Google Earth. We subdivided the lot and segregate the upland portion of it. That's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below to stay updated with my uploads. Bye-bye!